everybody, it's your girl Shaunie D. Ali, your favorite mommy vloggy, and I am back again with another video. Hi. Hi. Yeah. All right. Let's get us some breakfast. Little girl. Little girl. Making out that noise. What you doing, little girl? Good morning. Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
Good job. Hi. Ready to get cleaned up?
Yeah.
Bye-bye, Passy. Good girl. Time to go. Time to go eat. Say eat. You gonna put your toy down? Good job. Look, say eat. Ellie. You and them facial expressions. Say eat. Say eat. Eat.
Eat.
Yeah, eat. Baby, you sleeping? Shh. I am about to make. It's a bad angle. I gotta lose some weight. I gotta lose some weight. Huh? Yes. I'm gonna try to get this breakfast done, because my husband wants something to eat. So I'm going to make him breakfast. The baby's up. Say hey. She's up from her now.
B.
And her brother's here. Yeah. Say hug the baby. Kiss the baby. Yay. Say hi, little baby.
Hey.
Hi. You trying to say hi? Yeah. Say I'm 5 months old. You turn my light off. Come on here. Hey. You hug the baby? You wanna hug the baby? Ellie, you hug the baby? Yay! Alright.
Oh, Daddy.
Hey, baby.
Happy to see Daddy?
Hey, baby. Hey.
Dad don't want to be on camera, so we gotta go. Say uh-oh. Say bye-bye, Dad.
Bye-bye, kitty. Yeah, boy, did you?
You in there playing.
What you doing, boy? Whoa.
Hi. I'm about to do laundry. I wash the girls' clothes separate from my son's because he's a little rougher on clothes. And this is my Sunday reset routine. I get all the kids' clothes ready, our clothes ready. I'm gonna wash my husband's clothes. Daddy likes to pretend like he's a monster, and then Elijah gets scared. Hi, sweetie. All right, let's get these clothes washed. What is y'all? Oh my goodness, what is y'all doing? You gonna stay up there, Ellie? Let me see if I can get you on there. Dada. Mommy got the baby. We got the baby. All right. Count 4, 5. Yeah. Go, Elijah. Go, Daddy. Yeah. Dad. Dad. Go.
Uh-oh.
Was that it?
Is Ellie up there?
Every time I try to put up there, she run away. You want to get up there? Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You hold on. All right. Go.
Ah.
That wasn't even 10, was it?
I had already done. I don't know how many.
1, 2.
Come on. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Flip. No. Face. Hi. Your brother wants some attention. Hi. They daddy trying to get them ready to go outside. And they so excited. They getting frustrated because they got to put their shoes on. Ooh, bubbles.
You already trying to put your finger inside the one thing.
Bubbles. Woo. Right here.
Uh-oh.
Dada. Mama. Trying to multitask. The kids are eating a snack. They love Cheetos. They just came from outside, which y'all just saw. It's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna lay them down for a nap. The oldest two at about 30 minutes, about 30 minutes to an hour. More likely it's gonna be about 30 minutes to keep them on schedule. Cause that's what time we usually let them take a nap at home. It's 11:30. She just ate. Say hi. I'm a fat. Don't eat. No. Your nose running. Don't eat it. Mama gotta wipe your nose. Mama gotta wipe that nose. Yeah, she in her swing. So I will come back to y'all when I'm getting ready to lay them down for a nap. They're in here watching their shows, eating their snacks. I'm about to take her out and put her in her bed for her second nap. It's still morning. Got one baby down sleeping. Now got two to go. And this clock is 11:16 on this clock.
Bye.
Goodbye, Joes.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. She likes to fight now, but she is the main one who needs to sleep. She's gonna be tired and knocked out. Say night-night. Night-night. Turn her sound machine on. Turn the light off. As you can hear, it's quiet because she knows that it's time for nap. So she's not yelling and upset, even though sometimes she might do it right after, but she goes to sleep because she knows when it's time to go to sleep. So that is 2 down, 1 more to go. This one shows it better. It's 11:26. 2 down, 1 to go. Ready for nap? Say bye-bye, Shows.
Bye, Joe.
Okay, come on, you can get out.
Car.
Where you going?
Car.
What are you doing? You don't want to cover? Okay. That's fine. Let's go sleep. All right. Say, I am a champion. That is 3 down. Everybody is in the bed asleep. You hear that? Quiet, because they are all asleep in their own beds, in their own rooms. And it is, let me show y'all the time. 11:36. My clothes are in the dryer, and I'm washing my other load of laundry. It was 11:36, the last clip I showed y'all. So now I'm in my bathroom. I'm getting ready to take a shower, wash my hair, and all these things like that. Go ahead and hit that like button, get to know me, my family, and let's journey together. Please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.
I would wish you would help me more if you love me. You know, then you'll start playing it to your advantage. But the point is, boy, no.
What you want to say?
So basically, in Westworld is an amusement.
Jay, don't start